First, let's define an NPC.
Yeah.
An NPC is any character that's not Priyanka Chopra. One of my questions to Supriya, which is, indicative of how deep we really want to go in this conversation about storytelling and gaming, was which of the three androids would you fuck?
It's so beautiful. There are, what is that called? Keys? No. Buttons.
Yeah.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Girish and Anuya channel. Where is the camera? Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Girish and Anuya channel. And of course, welcome to Story Ke Piche Kya Hai. Please welcome singer-songwriter,
World famous singer.
world famous singer-songwriter, amateur chef, most official, unofficial BTS fan. And of course, she's a comic and a writer of some standing and an influencer and a beauty girly. I mean, where will I ever? This whole podcast will become about what Supriya does. So let's just welcome Supriya Joshi.
Yay!
Hello.
Hi, my friends. Hi, my friends. Clock it, clock it, clock it, clock it.
What is clock it?
What is clocking?
Guys, keep up. Guys,
Keep
any
up.
Gen Zs here? Any Gen Zs wanna tell us what clock it means? No? Comments mein?
So Supriya is going to talk to us today about something that we haven't heard her speak enough about, and I wish she
I feel
did.
ever.
Yeah, ever.
Have you ever spoken about this shit on your
Never.
on your channel? No.
No.
What are we
Yeah.
talking about today?
Talking about video games.
Yes!
Storytelling in video games.
Yeah, which
Yeah.
we love to talk about.
We love to talk about, we
Yeah.
love to play games
Yes.
with hearts
Yes.
and on consoles also when we have time.
शुरू करें?
Yes. Okay, Soups. Let's talk about the art of storytelling in video games. The beauty of a video game is that you become the character. Like when you're watching a movie or a TV show, you're watching it passively, but a video game is a very active medium. So, how do you think that changes the impact of the story? And do you think that when the character does something that you in your life wouldn't have done, do you think there's like a disconnect in between, what you feel about the character and the story itself? Like, do you think that it changes the experience for you?
It really depends on what kind of game you're playing, right? Because there are a lot of games that have very set consequences. The whole narrative is set, which is almost like watching a movie basically.
Yeah.
You don't have any say in what's
Yeah.
happening. You're just playing along with
Like
whatever.
Uncharted. It's a
the
linear
con-
story and
it's
yeah.
linear, you're just playing and that's how you are enjoying the story. But in open world games, in games which have branches and branches of endings and consequences, you are the master of the story basically. You are creating the story. Certain games like we will touch on today, I'm a big fan of Red Dead Redemption 2 and 1 also. Since you're in charge of creating the story and it plays with what kind of morality you want to give to the character.
Yeah.
So really the choices are yours, and since you're building on whatever is available to you, you decide if you want to be playing a good guy, if you want to playing a bad guy, and that's how the story finally unfolds. And I think that's really beautiful because in movies and even in this linear gameplay, you're just observing. And in game like this that you're playing and you're choosing and all your choices have consequences, it's like, oh, I made this basically. At the end of the game, I made this story.
In games, even with linear storytelling, right? Because you are controlling the character. If the character does something that you wouldn't,
Yes.
Yes.
right? Then does that become a disconnect?
Yeah, it depends on how they're doing it, right? Like obviously in a regular life, if somebody has done something nice for you, you're not going to rob them.
Yeah.
I hope you wouldn't rob.
Yeah.
I hope you wouldn't rob them
Unless you're Trevor.
unless you're Trevor. If you've grown up gaming, you're sort of hardwired to do these things.
Yes.
Like you're gaining XP, you're gaining points, you're gaining money. तो वो तो एक साइड में अपना चल ही रहा है, वो भी एक
Yeah.
साइड क्वेस्ट है जो चल ही रहा है. If you're robbing someone, if it has no consequence to what you do, if the
Yeah.
NPCs don't react to you
Yes,
robbing,
yes.
then that's a full disconnect.
I feel that
But
with
that's
every game.
Yeah, that's all.
Every
all
game,
resource collection is all.
Robbing.
Robbing.
Except for Last of Us, of course, which is just a superior game in so
Yeah,
many ways.
full on.
I was recently playing Ghost of Yoti, and Atsu, she'll go and then NPC will give her a quest and NPC will also pay her for the quest or the NPC will save her or do something nice for her and she just casually walks inside the house and
Yeah.
Just robs.
Be like,
"Mera
okay,
sake."
silk, okay, robe,
And the NPC is
arrows,
just,
yeah, NPC is just chilling, yeah.
Yeah.
and that is such a moral disconnect for
That's
me.
where
Yeah.
it becomes a little jarring, right?
Yeah.
Like for example, in Red Dead, someone's done something nice for you, and you go and rob them. It will affect your moral points basically.
Oh, Red Dead does that.
It does that, yeah. So it has a consequence. Even the smallest action on it has a consequence. So NPC will remember कि तूने चोरी किया है मेरे घर से.
Wow.
फिर वो मारेगा कि basically that's,
This is after you do a quest for them.
or
I
it's
have
just
not
part
reached-
of the quest. It's one of the part of the quests is you have to chori some money from an NPC's house. You can play it nice and not do the chori, or you can play it because you need the money also. Like some things require you to have a certain amount of money anyway. So stealthily जाके तुम चोरी कर दो. A, B, if you really are playing an evil guy and you're like, भाई मुझे तो पैसा चाहिए चाहे even if I don't need it, you can beat up the NPC, but it affects your moral points basically.
And how does that affect the game later?
You either end up with the good ending or the bad ending basically.
Oh, the ending is different. I haven't reached
The
that yet.
ending is different, yes.
Which we'll come back to later.
will.
Where I am in RDR. But you know what you asked, like this question, I felt that with Trevor, I remember while
In
playing GTA
GTA.
5, like for the first 20 minutes, 15 minutes, it was a little uneasy. Like a little
Yeah.
slight bit of uneasiness because he just like murders this guy, right? Who comes and confronts him, about something I forget now. I think he's in the middle of having sex with some woman.
Yeah.
And yeah. So he's immediately like they start with him in a very despicable position, and then you're like, okay, I have to control this guy now. Right? And he has to go and rob for himself, and he's nasty throughout to
Yeah.
everybody.
But
right?
wouldn't you say?
And-
I mean, you are given a bad character.
yeah,
So like you would play bad only, no?
yes,
With someone who starts neutral,
yeah.
you are making- you are making-
the expectation is set.
yeah. So
Yeah.
if, now this is literally Arthur Morgan is blank slate.
Yeah,
So you will make him whoever
Yeah.
you want. But someone like Trevor, तो तुम्हें पता है वो गंदा ही है. Even though you hate him, you think he's gross.
You can set
but the disconnect is not there. You're saying that.
you
Yeah,
can,
yeah.
You can set the evil person inside you free.
Free, yeah.
You know, I remember when-
वही है वो 20 मिनट के बाद वही लगता है फिर.
Yeah.
Because 120 minutes and you're like, yeah, you know what, fuck this guy.
Fuck it, yeah. Period.
You know, तब से दिमाग खा रहा है ये.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, I remembered one of the first games I played was Road Rash. And
Beautiful.
you guys remember the joy we got when
Yeah,
we kicked
just kicking
those
people
old
off.
ladies
Oh
with
man.
walkers.
Even
Yeah.
police. Even the police.
Yeah, even the police, yeah.
And I was like, oh,
ये भी कर सकते
ये भी
हैं.
कर सकते
Oh,
हैं.
और
Yeah.
जीतेंगे ये करने के बाद.
Yeah.
and this is a facet of my personality I didn't know about. I
didn't
want
know.
to
Yeah.
kick old ladies and walk. I'll never do it in real life.
You'll never
but
do
you
it.
know what? This
I'm
is
glad that video games have facilitated that we kill people for no reason. And we're just budding psychopaths, basically. Just budding.
There's this little genre of games, right, where a lot is said in silence.
Yeah.
Through environment, like through the mood that they create. Like Last of Us, for instance, right? Do these stories tend to hit harder?
I mean, the silence is part of the storytelling.
Yeah.
And particularly in The Last of Us, I think silence, environment, facial expressions, they're all just adding texture to the story. You don't feel it, you know. You don't feel odd. You don't feel like, अरे हो क्या रहा है मैं confused हो रही हूँ. Because
Yeah.
you're spending so much time with this character. You are embodying that character. How you would feel in that situation if you were that character. So I wouldn't like a story like Last of Us. I wouldn't expect people to keep talking all the time or exposition, telling me what's happening, because we are literally in the middle of an apocalypse right now, right?
Yeah.
मैं बोलूँगी इधर से एक zombie आ जाएगा मुझे मारने के लिए. So
Yeah.
like all of this really adds to the environment. Building, scene building, story building. Actually, it's more rewarding, I would say.
Yeah.
Because you are building that story in your own mind. Like, for example, in Last of Us only, like you're walking into rooms where there are like bodies.
yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't know how they died, but there are
Yeah.
clues, you know, like you'll find a letter, and then you understand what happened. Nobody
Yeah.
had to come there and tell you, "Arey, ye aisa hua."
Yeah.
And there's so many. Wow, I'm getting goosebumps, guys. I love games so much.
Nice.
I'm literally have goosebumps. Anyway, what I'm saying is, it's so beautiful the way that the developers trust you
Yes.
to
put two and two together.
Yeah,
Yeah,
to put
yeah.
these things together
Yeah.
and to give you the chance to explore the storytelling yourself, basically.
I think this is one reason also why video games feel so much more immersive than say
So much
movies.
more powerful.
Powerful, and
Yeah.
there's a stronger connect beyond just like you controlling the character. The environment plays such a big role because you never interact with the environment in a movie. Like
Yeah.
you don't know that, right?
Yeah.
It's just the director is like, okay, this is the block and this is all I want you to see.
Yeah.
Right? But in games, you're like, okay, I can move around and
Yeah.
everything that I interact, which is one of the reasons why Breath of the Wild Zelda, right? It's lauded so much for its environment building because you can interact with everything.
Everything.
Like there is no door in that game you cannot open.
Yeah.
There is no house you cannot enter. Like there are like how in Spider-Man you cannot enter all these buildings,
Of
right?
course.
Like if
and I've tried.
yeah,
Quite
you
right.
try, right? Yeah, like if Spider-Man, if Nintendo made Spider-Man, like they will make sure Spider-Man goes into every house,
Yeah.
and spooks people out.
Yeah.
Like it's so that connection, like even with GTA, right? The radio, just that simple thing of the car radio. Like where the environment, you are interacting with the
controlling
world.
it also.
Yeah, you're interacting with the world just not just by driving, but
Yeah.
what you're hearing as well.
Yeah, it's like
right?
an actual experience of driving
Yeah.
a car, no? Like
Yeah.
it's
Which is
so
why I suck at it.
yeah.
like it's making inviting basically.
Yeah.
It's like you are this person.
Yeah.
And even when interacting with your environment, in checking what's going on, there are so many Easter eggs to find.
In RDR, which was the most like the biggest thing for you with the environment that you felt really was
May
the
I
most
just
immersive?
say, a lot of people criticize it.
Yeah.
I love the horse riding stuff. I love it.
Yeah, yeah, a lot of people
love
criticize it.
just
riding a
just
horse.
riding a horse. I would never do it in real life. Okay,
Yeah.
I will never put a
Yeah.
horse through that. It's so beautiful. There are, what is that called? Keys? No, buttons.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm turning 25 this year. Please excuse my memory. There are certain buttons you can press where you are being nice to your horse.
Yeah.
You're just
That's
a
so
good
good.
girl,
Yeah.
good boy, good girl.
Yeah.
You're cleaning your horse. You're building a relationship with your horse.
Yeah.
फिर तो वो तुम्हारा ही हो गया ना. Like
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah.
you're the horse owner.
Like literally, the horse gets dirty and there's a notification.
There's a
right? That-
notification, your horse is
it's
hungry,
it's
your
hungry,
horse is
is dirty.
dirty.
Brush him,
but
groom
that
him.
is what annoys me about RDR. I don't want to groom my horse. I don't want to brush
You have
him.
a horse, you should groom it. बेचारा वो तेरा कितना पूरी स्टोरी में तेरा साथ देगा. अब मैं कुछ spoiler, I cannot give you any spoilers because both of you haven't played that game. But
Yeah.
let me say, horse riding in this game is integral.
Okay.
And it's wonderful.
I enjoy horse riding in both the Tsushima and Yote
Yeah.
games.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful horse riding.
Yeah.
I could ride that horse forever. Okay. Moving on to the third question. Okay, when again it comes back to the experience of a story through a game versus like a movie or a TV show, where the illusion is never broken, right? But in the games, we forgive the breaking of that illusion because we know that even though Atsu in Yote is burning with revenge, she's burning. She has to go kill the Yote 6. That's the whole plot, right?
Yeah.
She's burning. But then suddenly one guy comes and says, oh, my bear is missing. Can you help me find my bear? And she's like, okie doke. And she's like, fucks off. So that kind of breaks the illusion for me. Initially, when I started playing games, that was extremely annoying. Do you think that matters when it comes to video games? Like, does that affect your experience of storytelling? Or is that just something you've grown to love as a
Yeah, I
perk?
think it's an added thing because it's not too far removed from this person's reality. So, which other game example? I keep coming back to RDR only,
It's
but
okay, let's talk about it.
same. It's basically you're in a Western, you're in that
Yeah.
era.
Yeah.
Your job is this. Like it's very natural for people to come and say, "Okay, isko maar de, main teko paisa dunga."
Yeah.
That's my job.
Yeah.
Even if it's not part of
Fair.
my main narrative, जो मुझे main अपनी ending है.
Yeah.
It's not really taking away from my reality. In fact, it just those things really again add texture, add more to the story, and gives you more of an opportunity to see how you want to shape this person's personality also.
Yeah. But coming to that, that's an interesting point because with Ghost of Yote, you sort of know exactly where Atsu is emotionally when the
Yeah.
game starts.
Yeah.
Right? You start with, okay, you know that her family has been murdered and you start with that burning revenge. That's your starting point. And as you said before with Arthur Morgan, it's more of a blank slate, right? So initially, I'm sure in the first 2 acts, as the game progresses, you may not feel that disconnect while doing side missions because
Correct.
he's just doing them as how Arthur Morgan would,
Yeah.
because you don't know where he is emotionally.
Yeah.
But as the game progresses, and again, I have not reached there yet, but I'm sure as the game progresses, you see where Arthur Morgan is heading towards emotionally, right?
Yeah.
At that point, when you do these side missions, which are like completely emotionally in a completely different
Zone.
tangent, right?
Yeah.
Does that then affect the immersion?
You know, I cannot say this without spoiling anything.
Spoil.
No,
Really?
I can't.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Will not spoil this for you. I would really love for you to experience it.
We have
Because
to play.
when
We have
you
to fucking
reach
play.
that point,
Ah.
it's a big turning point in this game. You will want to do the side quests.
Okay.
You will
okay.
want to do things. So, and if you've seen it,
Oh
as
man,
you
I
played
think
it-
I kind of know what you mean because
Yeah.
because I'm like 12 hours into it. I
That's
mean,
like nothing, no?
there's nothing
Isn't
yeah.
R2D2 a very...
R2D2.
Everybody's told me to play it. Now I'm just gonna mock it till I play it.
You must
Yeah.
play it. Then you will tell me, oh shit,
Yeah.
why didn't I play? Why didn't I give? It's RDR,
R2D2.
R2D2. R2D2 is a slow burn, but when you reach the point where it's like, oh fuck, and then you're like, oh man, now I need to keep progressing the story. It's like Breaking Bad,
When did RDR2 come out?
2018.
2018, but okay, I'm just thinking like the attention spans back then may be slightly better. When I'm playing RDR, the game first tells you, oh, you know what, that guy wants to talk to you. So you're
Yeah.
like, fine, now you go to that guy. Okay, now you're riding. You reach that guy. Then you reach that guy's like, you know what, actually, that guy knows what we need to do. So now the two of you are riding.
Guys, that sounds
and there is lower
exasperating.
building. And the two of them keep talking. But then, once you reach the third place, maybe there's another little more ride, or like the actual action happens, right? You find out what the story is. That payoff is really cool. Like I have never finished a mission thinking कि मैं क्यों घोड़ा भगाया इतना देर, like वो कभी नहीं हुआ है. But to get through that, it's like fucking gym.
Yeah.
You know, like at the end of it, you know what? Like it wasn't that bad a decision that
Yeah.
dragged my ass off to fucking lift weights today. It's like
Exactly.
that.
It's
Right?
a-
Because a really good payoff in the end. But
Yeah.
I'm like, man, I got to do this every time.
Yeah. Well, the rewards are really worth it. And I'm telling you, once you are fully immersed into it, then you wouldn't mind, really. And I would say, like, अपने phone को off करके रख दो at that.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो घोड़े चलाने के बीच में कम से कम 10 बार मैं फोन चेक करता हूँ. I'm like, ये
I
बहुत
think
टाइम से
that's
भगा
the
रहा है.
worst thing. I'm playing a video game.
Yeah.
After a while, I'm the urge to check my phone.
Yeah.
Just like
But that
takes
happens
over.
in everything you do, no? Even
Yeah,
reading,
everything you
even
do, yeah.
watching
Reading,
movies also.
watching
You need
movies,
two
yeah.
screens to watch a movie,
Yeah,
basically.
we are broken as
fully
a generation.
so now
as
you
a
have to
society.
really
Yeah.
go, like, really make those moves, like
Yeah.
phone off karke khelo.
At least I curse myself harder because like
Yeah.
when I realize what I'm doing, like what the fuck are you doing? Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
you're just like you're in the middle of a great game. Like
Yeah.
just throw that phone down.
Yeah.
I mean, he can't keep his phone down.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
please.
one more podcast. I saw a great meme the other day, which was like, marriage is telling your spouse to put your phone down during the 2 seconds that you aren't holding yours.
Wow.
Yeah. Let's talk about NPCs now, right? Where NPCs have really added to the storytelling.
First, let's define an NPC.
Yeah.
An NPC is any character that's not Priyanka Chopra. So as long as we know that, right?
हो गया ना 12:30.
Nick
अगला
Priyanka
गेस्ट
Chopra.
कब अगला गेस्ट कभी आ रहा है?
So, right, we're all on the same page?
Same page,
Any character that's not, Priyanka Chopra.
is an
Okay.
NPC. Is an
Okay.
So, may I answer that? NPCs enrich the game. In so many ways.
But
right?
which
Otherwise,
NPC?
it's
But
just-
storytelling.
Storytelling.
हाँ.
Storytelling. We cannot create a fantastic character and just dump it in a world and alone and
Yeah.
then expect him to find his way through emotionless, characterless mannequins.
Yeah.
Right? So every NPC adds a layer of storytelling that makes me grateful for that character. In good games. In good games. In bad games, like
Yeah.
Horizon Zero Dawn, which people talk about as a good game, but I don't know why I abandoned it halfway through. NPCs are like robotic quest givers.
Yeah.
And that really puts me off. You know, when they look at you and you're like, hi, Now you need to
those
go
are all
rescue
massive.
a pigeon.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I don't want to rescue a pigeon.
It's the same
idiot.
camera angle. It's the same camera
Yeah,
angle. Yeah.
yeah,
That
and-
mid shot, that mid wide shot where it's just standing like a robot and just talking to you.
Why do
Yeah.
they do those? I don't know why those characters suck, right? I don't
Yeah.
know that genre of.
That's a genre. That's
That's a
big
genre,
RPGs.
yeah.
These are big scale RPGs are like that. So even Assassin's Creed Odyssey, I think, has anyone played Odyssey here? Wives, have you played Odyssey? No. AC Odyssey is also I hear is the same. Like the side quest givers are like this.
Robots.
It's a big game. It's a big game, right? I think that it's just part of their algo, like the way they coded, I guess. Like you don't have to sit and animate each character that's talking. I think.
yeah.
So it's just इतने सारे side quests हैं कि वो एक ही
Yeah.
एंगल पे खड़ा रहता है और वैसे ही बात करता है वो.
You know, but like.
It's why the lip movement also rarely matches.
Yes,
Yeah.
the lip movement doesn't match.
Doesn't
it's
match.
like I'm watching one of those dub
Those
TV
puppet shows,
yeah.
you know,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
And they're just talking robots giving me work to do and I just
Yeah.
slap them.
Yeah.
नहीं करना मेरे को काम.
पर
Yeah.
वो पहले नहीं अटकता था अभी
Yeah.
अभी खटकता है सॉरी अटकता था पहले नहीं खटकता था अब खटकता है क्योंकि नॉटी डॉग जैसे लोगों ने
Better.
बिगाड़ रखा है लोगों
Yeah.
Things have gotten better.
They've
Yeah.
just gotten better.
को. But you can't do that with big scale RPGs.
Yeah.
खर्चा they can't spend so much
you
money.
can't expect every NPC to have a new thing to tell you,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
life-changing
Life-changing
revelation.
thing. I used to play, I still play, but like in my childhood, there was this game I used to play, Final Fantasy 7. I PC में खेलती थी मैं, and there were a lot of NPCs around that world also. But some of them, of course, have things for you to do. Most of them, you know, it's almost like you're just listening into their conversation. So yes, it's like they'll just say the same line every time you click them. There's nothing new. But I feel like even that added to the story because it's like अभी ना कुछ बहुत ही catastrophic हो रहा है. Like say a bomb is going off in a reactor, and there are people around that reactor who are reacting to reacting to the fact that
They're
a
reacting
bomb
to the reactor.
to the bomb going
Yeah.
off at the reactor. So I would say if there was nobody talking, if I could click somewhere and nobody had anything to say, it would feel too mechanical.
Yeah.
But even back in the 90s,
Yeah.
one character here is standing
Back in
मैंने
the
back in the
90s,
90s.
Yeah.
when we
उसको
were
मैंने
youth.
click किया when I was actually youth. That's the first, I think that's the first RPG I ever played. So when you click that and then he reacts, that guy says, oh no, we're gonna die. Something as simple as that. So it's like it really adds to it, you know, if in contrast to them saying nothing
Yeah, because
at all.
that's been the progression, no? Like अभी सुपर मारियो में टू डू उतना ही है. फिर थोड़ा आगे आया तो वो एक्चुअली में बात कर रहे हो.
Yeah,
एक्चुअली में बात कर रहा
crazy,
है.
yeah.
Crazy. Now you go ahead and वो इमोट कर रहा है. What the fuck वो इमोट कर रहा है. Then you go further than Naughty Dog is like wait मैं कैमरा एंगल भी बदलेगा.
बदल दूँ.
मैं अलग-अलग एंगल से
मैं
शॉट
सब
लेगा
cinematic
उसका.
करेगा.
मैं सब सिनेमैटिक करेगा.
फिर जब वो मरेगा तू रोएगा.
Then so now you're like oh now you can't go back. Now you can't just be like खाली बात कर रहा है.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because you then compare it to Mario.
Yeah.
I want to talk about like games like Ratchet and Clank and Astrobot, which have like you know where the NPCs are like decoration and it doesn't
Yeah.
matter. क्या है Ratchet and Clank में कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं है.
कुछ
But
नहीं
you know what? More
It's
games
Ratchet
like
and
I want
Clank.
more games like Ratchet and Clank
Yeah.
because you know the games like Ratchet and Clank I feel get written off for lack of story
Depth.
as such depth. क्यों चाहिए depth?
क्यों
नहीं
चाहिए?
चाहिए कुछ games में नहीं
Casual
चाहिए.
gaming
Ratchet
के
and
लिए
Clank
तो,
is a
yeah.
great fun
It's
game.
beautiful,
It's
yeah.
popcorn storytelling. It's popcorn
Yeah.
storytelling
You
in
know-
video games. I think popcorn storytelling in video games is not done
Is
Enough.
missing.
Enough.
Yeah.
You know,
Fully.
like, it's-
fully
You know,
on board.
I still consider myself a gaming beginner. I know it's been like 6 years now.
Wow,
Shit. I consider myself a beginner because I have not expanded beyond the games that I know and love. But I recommend gaming to anyone
Fully.
who hasn't done it. And I think games like Ratchet and Clank and Uncharted 4 and Astrobot.
Even Lost Legacy.
Lost Legacy.
Lost Legacy was great popcorn
You know what?
storytelling.
Actually, I will even remove Uncharted from this because I believe it was fun storytelling.
Yeah.
But something like Ratchet and Astrobot.
More Ratchet.
and all,
Astrobot, man. Come
You
on.
know,
Beautiful.
You played two of us?
It Takes Two, you mean?
It takes two.
Yes,
sorry.
We
we
played.
quit
We
it,
rage
so-
quit that as well.
We didn't
I
rage
played
We
it
quit
didn't
with
it.
rage. It was
also.
motion sickness.
We didn't rage quit it. We age quit it.
Woo!
Ah, nice.
Wow. I
Good
played
one,
it with
good
my
one.
sister and we fought a lot. So then that's,
Age quit.
that's the point of this
Age
game.
quit. Age quit game. Age quitting a game. One second. Age quitting a game is real.
It's real.
It's
Fully.
so real. Age quitting a game is very
It
real.
made us motion sick.
Yeah.
Supriya. We were both like, I kind of feel like vomiting.
Really?
Like, yeah, I don't know.
Oh, we finished
Oh,
the game.
shit. That's also a great beginner game. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah,
You know,
yeah.
Play with your friends.
I
someone's
feel like,
holding
I mean,
hand.
listen, gaming is not only meant for professionals, yeah. We keep forgetting. gaming is meant for absolute casual players also. Like you play to escape the crap real life you're living. Yeah. If you just want to shoot 100 zombies coming your way
Yeah.
and not think about a story also.
That's
sure,
fine.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
that's
Enjoy
fine.
We
that.
appreciate a good story, but we also appreciate a good gameplay.
Game,
man.
you just
Yeah,
shoot 'em
yeah.
up. Yeah, I
Yeah.
appreciate a good shoot 'em up. Also.
Let's
huh.
talk about Detroit.
Detroit,
it's, a,
yeah.
it's a game that both Supriya and I have played, and Girish
And
has
I
not
haven't.
played it.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you like it. Honestly,
Really?
it's not a very gameplay heavy game.
Yeah.
It's-
You've never
fully
seen me
story.
play a non-gameplay heavy
Yes,
game.
yes,
That's
yes,
fair.
yes,
Fair then. Yeah.
yes. I don't
true.
know if you like it.
It's like a game version of R.L. Stein's Choose Your Own ending book.
It's
Oh, really?
It's,
Kinda
it's,
like
it's,
that.
is it like 2 notches above Bandersnatch? That's how it is.
I don't think.
Yes. The Black Mirror.
Oh yeah,
episode.
It's like
It's
that,
nothing.
right?
It's many
Many
notches
notches
above.
above.
But it's that, right?
Yeah,
basically?
yeah.
Yeah, and obviously the inspiration is Blade Runner,
I
which they
don't-
do not attribute to, or at least I couldn't find any literature. To
Anywhere
it.
that's saying that.
Maybe it's there somewhere and I've missed it.
Acha.
But you know the thought of androids and deviants
Yeah.
comes from Blade Runner,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay.
Androids becoming sentient is like
Yeah,
Isn't
Purana
it
Purana
like
concept.
Isaac
Yeah.
Asimov?
Correct.
Yeah.
Purana.
Purana concept, yeah.
Asimov, Philip K. Dick, and all
Uh-huh.
have obviously exploded before any of us were born.
Yeah.
But it's about these 3 androids, and the whole thing is about their choices and you choosing for them, and it leads to starkly different
Multiple
endings and
endings.
stories.
Yeah.
Yeah. My ending, like I told you, Soups was very bleak. Like sab khatam ho gaya. Like just everything
Really?
went to shit.
Oh really?
Yeah, and I was like, and that actually made me want to replay the game.
How many outcomes are possible in this game?
Each character has multiple endings. So there are many endings that are possible. The 3, right? There are 3 main characters.
3 main characters. Yeah.
And you play 3
Yeah.
of them,
3 of them, yeah.
Detroit.
one after the other
Yeah.
linearly? Like
Not linear.
Not
It's
linearly.
like
you can
beach,
choose.
beach,
beach,
No,
mate.
we don't choose. The
Oh,
story
okay.
gives
Beach
you.
mate keeps cutting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Detroit Become Human features over 85 distinct narrative endings based on the final official character flow
crazy.
chart.
Yeah, 85.
That is crazy. That's pretty
I
cool.
don't think I have.
And you know what?
I
the
think I
beauty-
might like it now. Then.
You might like
these
it.
things.
You
yeah.
might like it. But there's
Yeah.
no gameplay in it. There's
That's
no
fine.
combat.
But I've
just-
seen you play. I
Yeah.
It's
know
just
what
fun.
the gameplay is.
Actually, more than fun.
It's
Again,
split
it's
second
a,
decisions, no?
Yeah,
Yes.
that's what
split
it is.
seconds
So-
decision, and again, it is also questioning your morality. कि
Yes.
तुझे कैसे खेलना है ये game.
Yeah.
And because I mean, you've finished the game, no? Again, no spoilers, but there is a part where you're confronted with a very fully psychopath choice
Yes.
to make
Yes.
between the.
What did you choose?
To not do it.
Oh, I did it.
You
Oh.
did it.
Yes.
Oh.
Be careful of Ananya, guys. Be
You're talking about the-
Yes, I'm talking
okay.
about that. I'm like, you shouldn't feel like logically this thing is.
I thought that I should. This is I should be who the character is where I was coming
Okay,
from.
so you
Yeah.
played Connor as what?
A true android.
Like
a pakka
See,
android.
I played
You're trying to change
Connor.
him.
I played.
You know, that's
Okay,
the-
now I really want to play
One
this
second.
game.
That's the problem with women, na? They want to fix all the men.
You
they
know,
fix us.
even
Yeah.
androids we are fixing, yeah. What to do?
Let it be. Some
No,
men
no,
are
I-
unfixable.
I have
Not
a
all
soft
androids.
spot. I have a soft spot for Connor. Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, is that your?
It's my
So,
yeah. You can ask your question. It's fine.
One of my questions to Supriya, which is indicative of how deep we really want to go in this conversation about storytelling and gaming, was which of the 3 androids would you fuck?
Of course, please have this conversation. Please have this conversation.
And I thought she would choose Marcus because he's played
Main
by
character.
Jesse Williams.
Of course.
Who is the most delicious man in the world after my husband.
Of course.
ये वो
course.
Grey's Anatomy का टकला वो.
I mean, sure.
तू
No, I didn't mean to laugh that loudly, guys.
Does he have this head of hair?
Even, they could have just given him hair as an android. No body shaming. No body shaming on this channel.
Hey, he looks delicious as a bald man.
But I will just say, I have a thing for bald men also. So
yeah, I know. What's wrong with bald
Nothing.
men?
I love bald men.
Babe, you think this hair is going to last forever? Yeah.
तू बोला तू छोड़ देगी मेरे को बाल गया तो.
Exactly. तू है वो Jesse Williams पे चलता है मेरे को थोड़ा टकला
Jesse Williams is hot.
I've
I
seen
agree.
his grey eyes anyway
I
so
agree.
I-
Okay, so
I just want to say I've played that whole game in this like lust fugue like
Really?
yeah just
Okay,
like,
you haven't
See,
answered.
that's
You
the
haven't
thing.
answered. Who
No,
would you?
so
who would
yeah.
you,
So for me, see, Marcus is an easy choice. He's
Yes.
traditionally very good looking. He's also like main character energy.
Yeah.
He's also like his character will always be good. It can be like chaotic good, neutral good, and what's the other one? Bad good, evil good. I think. But he will always be good. But Connor again is blank slate. So
when you say good, I think I think you mean he's coming from
A good place.
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
trying to do the right thing.
he will do the right thing in. You can choose in which way.
Yeah.
But Connor again is blank slate.
Yeah.
Okay, he is true android. So उसको emotion नहीं पता क्या होता है.
Yeah.
So you can choose like क्या emotion दूँ मैं इसको, and do I make him like be brutal or do I actually, because you are playing him so you care. No, I care.
Yeah.
And now the thing is, I have a thing for like lanky boys. Connor is fully lanky.
He's quite lanky.
And
Yeah.
and he's cute. He's such an android, yeah. Like, see, imagine talking like that. He's such an android, yeah.
कितना एंड्रॉइड है
एंड्रॉइड है यार,
ज्यादा ही
बोला
Android
है
है।
यार,
Yeah.
उसको पता ही नहीं है कि वो कुछ गलत किया है उसने,
Yeah,
like that's the like morally गलत किया है कुछ, उसको बस he knows instructions.
Yeah.
So and his storyline has like a good cop bad cop relationship with his partner Hank.
that character is also
So
fantastic.
too good,
I love
too
it.
good,
yeah,
love it.
yeah, very well
What a guy.
played by the
Yeah.
actor whose name escapes me right now.
He voices Krusty the Krab in SpongeBob SquarePants.
Shut up.
Yeah.
But I've
What?
seen him on TV shows. Like he's
You
not
have?
he's
Oh,
a
I know him
face.
from SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hilarious. That's
he's
hilarious.
he's a boss. And when you hearing him talk, it's like, oh, Krusty बोल रहा है ये तो.
Hilarious.
But yeah, I mean, that's why I enjoy playing that game, because all three of them have different styles of morality.
Yes.
Connor is fully blank slate.
Yes.
The other two
Kara and
androids,
Marcus.
yeah, Kara and Marcus, they sort of become sentient.
Yes.
This one was designed to do this job, his
The
job,
bidding.
the
Yeah.
bidding, the job.
Yeah.
So you are now projecting your emotions onto him. You
Fair.
are making the choices, and each character has so many branches of choices and consequences and endings.
After that very enlightening and fun discussion, mostly about RDR2, we're gonna now play a game with Supriya because that's what everybody does.
Yes,
And some things are not meant to be broken.
absolutely.
Right?
Yeah. This game is called Main Quest or Side Quest. That's
Yeah.
the name of the game. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll give you a name of a movie, and you have to tell us that if this movie were to be adapted into a game, would it be a main quest or side quest?
Ooh.
Okay. First movie, Dhule Raja.
A side quest.
Side quest, really?
It's a great movie,
Huh.
but that full movie is a side quest for me. There's no main quest. There is everything in that movie.
No, the main quest is that he used to he has to get the girl.
He has to get the girl and the dhaba.
Impresses father-in-law. That's
But
the main.
it's that वो तो शुरू में ही हो गया establish.
हाँ.
उसमें हीरो जर्नी है ही नहीं. वो जर्नी शुरू में
उसमें बस
खत्म
hero
हो.
है.
उसमें बस हीरो है और बाकी जो भी हो रहा है इस फिल्म
हाँ.
में वो पूरी साइड क्वेस्ट.
उसमें हीरो है और कादर खान है.
That's it.
But that's it. Second movie, Animal.
Did not play. Did not download from Steam.
DDLJ.
Oh, main quest.
Main
Yes,
quest.
fully main quest.
Yeah.
That
Main
is
quest.
full on.
Fully
heroes-
main quest,
Fully,
yeah.
fully.
There's a big location change.
There's
Yeah.
big.
Right? Yeah.
There is open world.
there's open world.
Open field.
If
So
DDLJ,
if imagine one horse you're riding on.
Fully,
oh, shit,
fully,
I would
fully.
totally play
okay,
that
so if
game.
DDLJ were a open world game, what would be the side quest in this game?
Ooh. DDJ side quest. I think
that-
the Europe thing was a side quest, yeah.
No, it was
No,
the main quest.
that
I'll
is a
tell
part of the main
I
quest.
would want to know what happened to Anahita Shroff's character.
Character.
Yeah, and Karan Johar's characters. Like, they're two
Yeah, so
sides.
in Europe, those are the side quests, no?
Yeah.
Maybe
yeah.
like a
Okay,
date
no.
with
So
the.
I think one side quest would just be Shah Rukh Khan breaking into gas station stores and stealing beers.
Stealing
Yes!
beer. Yeah.
That would just
That
be
is not
one side quest.
I think that would be how we got resources.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
we got
yeah.
resources,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Just-
Even
yeah.
like maybe, side quest could be something about like running and all.
Feeding pigeons.
Feeding pigeons.
should be a
Yeah.
side quest.
Fully,
For XP.
yeah.
For XP.
Oh my god, I love it. Feed pigeons for XP.
Yeah. Amrish Puri, he just comes You know, it just lands there with more pigeons.
Yeah.
Like, here, new pigeons for you, and just goes back.
You get to choose what to say when you're feeding them.
Oh my
Yeah.
Say
god.
ow, or what else? Ow.
No, I would be, you know what? I would be that वो PS5 पे वो controller पे वो उसका pad है ना ऊपर का trackpad वो trackpad पे swipe किया तो ow.
Guys, and it will all lead up to this incredible finale where she's running. And
Yeah,
you have to make her run and
you have to-
catch
And you
Raj.
keep missing the train.
Yeah,
You have to
it keeps in the train.
keep pressing X.
How fast you press circle
Yeah.
to get to hold the hand.
Oh,
okay. DDLJ
damn.
is certified main quest.
Oh,
Certified,
what a great
certified.
game that would be.
Okay.
I would play the shit out
Call
of
us
it.
YRF.
Yes, yeah.
Please
Please
call
YRF,
us.
call us if you want writing help, game design,
Design help.
yes, level design help. Yeah,
Yeah,
with that.
yeah, full on.
Okay. Third movie, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Ooh, but that's a main quest.
It's a main quest?
It's a main quest. man.
Side quest for me.
For me, side
Yeah?
quest. Even though I haven't watched the movie, I think
Really?
it's side quest. I mean, vacation has to be a side quest.
Yeah, it's
The whole
life-
movie is a vacation.
In your life, your vacation is a side quest.
Fair,
Yeah.
but this movie is main quest. This movie is making holiday a main quest. It's
Okay,
got
what about
good-
it makes it a main quest?
I mean, it's got very clear endings, consequences, things to do. And
Correct.
imagine all the amazing side quests you can do. You're on holiday in Spain. The Tomatino festival is a
Yes.
side quest,
Yeah.
yeah.
I think if ZenMD were to become a game, it should be like Detroit, where you're just making choices.
Exactly.
For the characters.
Full on. It's a Detroit
on.
You
game.
get to
Detroit
you get, but you still want to be able to throw tomatoes at.
Yeah,
Of
yeah.
course,
Full
that's
on.
a
That you
great
must.
side
You
quest.
must.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next one. This is gonna be a tricky
Hmm.
one. Auntie number one.
Especially inserted for Supriya's
Yeah,
opinion.
especially.
Auntie number one. What can I say? We'll keep it open ended. You decide. You decide.
You decide. Auntie number one. Main
You
quest or
make the
side
choice.
quest?
You
Yes.
make the choices.
You make the choice. Yeah. Yeah. Last one. RRR.
RRR is main
Main
quest.
quest.
Fully.
Main quest energy.
Fully main
energy.
quest.
There are
This is the
massive
game.
location changes.
Full
action set
action set
piece.
piece.
This is the main
क्या
quest.
मजा आएगा ये game खेलने
Yeah.
में.
Yeah.
Naughty Dog.
Yeah. Make an RRR. It's
Make an
already a
RRR.
And are
worldwide
you just like
sensation.
beating up and killing random Brits like as side
You're
quests?
at one point you're also beating up animals. You're
Yeah.
beating up tigers
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you're beating up deer for no reason.
Correct.
But like you,
And
that-
you know, one entire side quest is learning the dance steps to Natu Natu
Yes.
and doing them.
Yeah.
yes, dude, this is such a great game.
And you know, we could actually give Alia Bhatt's character something to do.
Yes, she could have a
Yeah.
whole side quest too.
Yeah.
She just doesn't have to wait for her husband. She just has
Yeah.
to. He can do things. That'll be
Correct.
great. Rajmouli ji, please go
Please.
contact us.
Please contact us if
Yeah,
you want to turn.
yeah.
It'll be
RRR
so.
into a
It'll
game.
be such a great game.
With this, we've come to the end of our really fun discussion about
Yes.
video games and stories and all the things that they make us feel, all our feels. And thank you, Supriya, for coming.
Thank you so
I know
much.
you
Thank
came
you
here
so much,
all the
yeah.
way from Malad.
Represent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, then please like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel, hype this video, which is another button that decides the course of my future. So, DA, thank you, YouTube, for that.
Yeah. See you soon.